Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're just joining for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button. It is down there, it's the red thingy there. I'm Dre and this is
Dappy.
And today's topic is basically Nigeria versus trends. There've been a lot of trends going out there and Nigerians are the ones that take it way too far. And yeah, today we'll be reacting to some of the trends, or just one particular trend, the Joe Boy trend, the alcohol trend. And we got a video that I would like to react to and give our opinions on. What do you think I'm going to be expecting?
I just hope that I don't cringe. I hope we all don't cringe together, basically. So let's get into the video.
Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share with your friends and leave a comment below on what you
Please though, the last video you guys did not comment. Comment
nice. Give them time. Give them time now.
It was low.
Alright, let's get into it.
I guess there must be. I believe the previous video, maybe there must be context to it, because I don't understand why she feels people are disturbing her. I believe that video, the last one before this lady came in, I believe there has to be context to it, because she seemed to be talking about people disturbing her about some previous relationships. I know. So let's just keep watching the video. How long is this video anyways?
I don't even know, like 6 minutes. But I don't think we're going to finish the 6 minutes. So it's doing fine job. So now by saying this.
I don't die. Hey!
Are these not small girls or something? Like, hold on first.
At least the previous guy did not sip alcohol, so kudos to you.
So this, like, I've noticed that most of the people on TikTok, they're actually very, very young children, probably not even 19 yet.
Okay,
16. But it's true now.
Okay,
like, but like, I'm actually seeing it. Where are they getting alcohol from? Who is giving it to them?
It's in Nigeria. Who cares about your age here?
Like, I don't. Well, let's keep on going. I'm just saying some things, and I'm like, how old are these people? They are definitely not even 20.
Yeah, this hasn't been bad so far.
This is like beans on tree. They're just wasting things. Why do you waste it? Like, they're not the ones buying it, so I don't know.
So this one doesn't even. I saw some on TikTok already before we actually saw this video. I've actually never seen any of this ones before. I'm really hoping it makes the cut. The one where someone was taking something from the toilet. Till now I can't tell. Well, I want to believe it wasn't actual poo, but
Like poo.
So he put some yellowish substance inside the toilet bowl or
And
the toilet.
took it from the toilet.
And it was. I couldn't even watch it to the very end too. I couldn't watch it to the part where he put it in his mouth, because I was cringing so hard. But yeah.
No, you should not shoot it. I'm not going to like it. Epo. This is my Epo. And they will say that it's expensive.
Right. one.
What's wrong with this one? Get to the fine boy. Oh, dear. When those are doing fine boys, I'm trying to do alcohol.
This is probably drinking water. There's always sipping vodka.
Come on, Peter. Is that not live stream? Pour it on your face, John. Let us see what you're pouring. She swallow it. Oh, she not swallow it. She not swallow it. She looks like this actress.
Actually, popular.
I guess so. She looks like this. There's no alcohol inside now. That's what we call
Mug for that matter.
It's suffering. But I don't get. It's like I've used everything. I don't know what to use again. What is your point, Hafiz?
Water.
And she cannot say again.
Speak to the ones that
Elubo. Elubo. This is probably powder.
no, this is definitely flour.
No, this is powder. Almost like, it looks like flour.
I need to.
But it's not that cheap. Yeah, so I can't even I'm tired, Jerry. It's not.
Honestly, yeah, this video doesn't even bring out the energy. What was the whole point? To show us that you can pour alcohol on. But I get maybe they were trying to promote the music, but then I'm not aware that the musician himself wanted the music to be promoted that way. But what do I know?
No, the things that there's something about Nigerians and trends.
Yeah.
They take it way too far. No, I used to think it was the Americans are the ones that overdo it. And I'm like, no, they don't overdo it. They're just consistent with it. They make it a trend. But when it comes to Nigeria, hey, everybody wants to blow. I was blow. That's
This everyone blow.
I was blow. I don't get. Sit down. I was pouring oil, palm oil. Is that okay? Because she cannot afford ordinary Red Bull. Cannot understand. She just got you something that's very expensive. It's expensive. Do you know why?
Let's not insult our creativity.
No. Let's insult her creativity. I don't even give a fuck. She does not have sense. I'm serious. She does not have sense. As I said, these people, they're not up to 20. They don't have sense. I even blame the guy that was I don't even want to attack the guy that is inside shower, that is pouring.
Oh yeah, that's
why
the guy that did the same.
that was doing this
My guy.
No, they don't have sense. Let me tell you why they don't have sense. They don't know that this thing it has a future consequence to it. Everything has consequences. Even this video, it has consequences. I don't even want to care who is going to come and react to the video. They'll be who are they? They don't even have any followers. They're talking about me. I don't give a fuck. Oh, Bunny. That one is a constant. That one is factual. It does not make any sense. Follow me, talk with me. I agree with me.
That's a threat. It's a boy.
But seriously now. No, be honest. Talk about
I feel like the whole point is just the whole shock factor. So some people are trying to do things just to create shock, shock value rather. Is it shock value or shock factor? I don't even know. See the case of that girl that went to drink, was it hypo or Dettol or some sort of harmful substance, and
she drank hypo.
I don't know what she
Dettol.
drank. I don't know. I can't remember, to be honest. But
she drank it.
Yeah. Did you see? You've not seen the video when she was foaming. They did two videos. So the one they posted on TikTok, and then the other one after the reaction to what she took when she was foaming. Only God knows what happened to the girl. I don't even think there has been any updates on as to what happened to the girl. And see the trend. The trend has come and gone. Nobody knows whether she don't die like that, if she's gone. Just stupid things that just trend here in Nigeria, right? But yeah. All for entertainment, right? I won't lie. I watched some of those videos and I was like, yes, do that to yourself.
Be foolish.
Be foolish about
Be foolish. Learn from your mistakes. But it makes it worse for us. I'm like, let's be honest. Like, I'm going to just be completely honest with you guys. It makes it worse for everybody else, every other creative out there, because one, you try to be decent and you try to like put something actually creative. And but what they've done is they've already put that psychology into, like, created a psychological factor in every audience or every consumer out there that oh, if it doesn't meet up to this shock, this kind of craziness, it's not content. And that's a problem, because instead of you to be building people's like imagination, oh, this is so creative, this is wonderful, this is cool, we need more of this. Now people are like, what is this is stupid. Generally do not look at Nigerians like we are stupid. I'm sorry, but that's exactly, this doesn't even make sense. The one that was even flour amala, I don't know if it's amala or semo. Did you not see? And I'm sure the mommy is in the room. Oh. She's in the room doing, maybe at that moment, maybe the mommy was doing amala for the house. She was like, I can use this for TikTok channel. She's not passing. It doesn't make sense. Like, I get everyone wants to blow, and that's a very wrong perspective of seeing things. You feel people are not starting to believe that once you are famous like this, that is everything works for you. That's not true. Fame can just buy you like an open door, like attention. Then what else comes after that? Is this still the same thing? Because people get bored. Like we talked about in the last video, when you actually confirmed that once this one goes, another one comes on. So are you just going to be following the real way of whatever anybody's doing I want to do? Doesn't make any fucking sense, man. There is integrity, man.
Unfortunately, I keep saying it. I don't think it's a Nigerian thing. I mean, more stupid trends have happened abroad. I remember there was this trend where two stupid trends I remember quite clearly that happened, especially in America, where there was one where people went into like superstore or supermarkets and then they opened ice cream bowls and leaked out of it and then put it back in. Some people got arrested for that. I remember the one of leaking toilet seats, and then somebody got some sort of virus through that. So I mean, we've not gotten to that level of, or maybe we even have.
We have. Our own is.
But I keep saying, we've just gotten to a point where clickbait, people just want that attention. So anything for the attention,
I don't want to talk about exposure of body. I don't want to go into that one. That would be a different case. I rest my case. We are sticking to trends now. Trends is just. Don't worry. Sorry, I digressed. I'm angry.
I'm angry.
Let me tell you why I'm even angry. Because I think what pains me is the fact that these people now have like 100,000 followers because they are stupid. Do you see where I'm going? That's why you have 100,000 followers, because you are stupid. Oh, bro. So they want to see more of it. You are making a fool of yourself, and you love seeing people who make fools out of themselves. So it's paining me, because I'm like, no, we're meant to train the mind of our consumers to expect creativity and appreciate creativity, good creativity, not stupidity. And it's paining me. I digress.
My guy, you think I'm personal.
I'm sorry, I digress. It's just basically Nigeria versus trends. I know everybody has their own perspective. Surprisingly, they have consumers, they have audience who actually double tap it and like it and follow, because they're like, this guy is crazy, this girl is crazy, she's brave to try something like that. Yeah, so it also even boils down into other aspects of trends, silhouette challenge. When it came to our own, some people were exposing what they're not supposed to, and even in the US, they took it too far. A lot of challenges, now we do and pass. Now we want to adapt to Western culture and overdo it and show them that we can do it better than you, or do it again. It's annoying me for some reason.
The thing is, all this what you say won't stop it. If they don't actually, I will clean. I want you. Forget that shit.
So I'm not, let me put it this way. I'm not complaining when it comes to sex appeal. I'm not complaining. Please continue. Do. I will watch, I will like, and I will laugh. That one is there. However, when we are going to cross the line is when you start doing stupid things. Sex appeal is normal. It has been happening for a very, very long time. You cannot stop. If you want to show me a layers of your body that you know will turn me on. It's natural. I mean, man, I will get turned
I'm
on.
very sure if we put like Nyash as thumbnail, most of you will click this video. Time faster than you know.
Exactly. So that one is natural. It's a biological, stimuli that controls the. However, there should be a limit. There should be that. I don't want to. That should be a topic for another day, where we say men are the cause of all these things. Where young girls now just jump into trends and they believe the best way to get attention is to expose yourself. So like they don't exercise their like talent in different areas. Maybe I can draw, I can act, I can do this. No, their own is I am fine. I want to be fine, and I want to have big nyash. I want to have big breasts. I want to expose myself. I want men to follow me. I want to get I want their attention. So the moment they don't get that attention, you're gonna commit suicide or they'll go into depression. They'll say this world is not world. This life is not life. Things like that. I'm just saying that's the cons of this kind of things. We're not encouraging. I don't want to say our daughters because I don't have any daughters. Anyway, we're not encouraging like the young girls of this our society to focus more on what their strength, not physical strength. I don't say because I'm sexier than my person. So that one that you're sexier than now will not be feeling like, because I'm not fine, I'm worthless. That doesn't make any sense. She might not go and focus on what actually makes her stand out. Being a businesswoman, being independent, things like that. Then people society is not be like, independence, that will not concern me. Do you have nyash? Whose fault is that? Men. It's men that is doing all these things.
Yeah.
It's men. So I blame men on this ones. We are we are strong men.
You know now.
We are strong men. Like a lot of weak-minded men out there who don't. Well, majority of young children. So
there are plenty simps in the world, my guy.
Yeah, simps are
everywhere.
Simps are everywhere, and it's sad. It's very, very, very sad.
You are enjoying the RP community. You know what you're missing.
Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. I don't really want to talk so much about it because it will feel like we are hypocrites and
we don't want to come off sexist as well.
Yeah, I'm not. Well, I don't want to have that conversation. I'm not. I'm not sexist, but there are some things I just believe should not be. That should be a topic for another day. We'll leave it at that. So that's it for this video, guys. See you guys later.
See you guys in the next one.
Please. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to.
Yes, and please click on the bell notification. I hope I said that right.
Yeah, notification
bell.
Yeah, and so you can get updated on the next topics.
Yes.
I will be talking about. And don't forget to share with your friends and comment. Leave comments.
Support 2 African boys.
2 African boys. That should be our channel name instead of 2 guys watching. We'll think about it. Don't worry. It's already 2 guys watching. See you guys later. See you guys next time. And
bye.
Bye.